G. Vicente,
Cyril Soto,
Manny Mendoza, Excel Pisigan, Miguel Trevino,
Jessica Fernandez.
welcome to our video on polynomial division techniques. And this video will be exploring the concept of
Synthetic division.
Remainder Theorem, Factor Theorem. This problem is a synthetic division and this given is x cubed minus 9x minus 3x squared plus 27 divided by x plus 3. Kaya po siya naging negative 3 is transpose po natin yung positive. Tapos, solve po natin siya gamit ang synthetic division. Kaya po siya naging 1 is, ang value po ng x ay 1, negative 3, and negative 9, positive 27. And bring down lang po natin siya kung 1. Tapos, 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Negative 9 plus 18 is 9. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. 27 plus negative 27 is 0. So, ang reminder po natin ay 0. Kaya po siya naging ganito is yung x cube po siya, kaya naging x squared. Tapos, copy lang po natin, negative 6x plus 9. Problem is synthetic division and given one ay x cube minus 2x squared minus 11x minus 20 divided by x minus 5. Yung 5 magiging positive dahil ta-transpose sa yung negative 5. Kukunin po natin ang coefficient ng coefficient. Ang coefficient po ng x cube is 1. Kakapi lang. Kakapi lang po natin ang 1. And 5 times 1 equals 5. Negative 2 plus 5 equals 3. Tapos 5 times 3 equals 15. Negative 11 plus 15 equals 4. And 5 times 4 equals 20. Negative 20 plus 20 equals 0. Ang x cube ay magiging x squared na lang. And copy na lang ang 3 and 4. Okay na. The answer is x squared plus 3 times plus 4.
this problem is remainder theorem. X cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x negative 2 divided by x minus 3. Kaya po naging positive po yun, transpose po natin sa 3. Ang polynomial po natin ay 3. Dahil po lahat po ng x ay kapalitan ng 3. Then, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Natin po natin itong positive 4. 3 times 3 equal 9. Then, bring down po natin to. Then po, copy po the 27. Then, copy po the sign. And 4 times 9 equals 36. Copy the sign. 3 times 3 equals 9. Copy po natin ito negative 2 equal 27 plus 36 plus 9 equals 72. Copy po natin itong negative 2. Ang 72 minus 2 equals 70. Ang polynomial po natin ay 3.
This problem of factor theorem. The given is x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Ita-transpose po natin yung negative 2 sa positive 2. Ang polynomial of x po natin is 2. Papalitan po natin lahat ng x ng 2. X cube magiging 2 cube. Negative x squared magiging negative 2 cube. Tapos po, negative 4x magiging negative 4 parenthesis 2 plus 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Negative 4 times 2 is equals negative 8. Copy lang po yung plus 4. Tapos po yung 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Copy lang po yung negative 8 plus 4. 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 4. Pakakopy lang po natin yung negative 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Ang polynomial of 2 po natin is 0. Pupunta po tayo sa checking. Gagamitin po natin ay synthetic division. Ang value po ng x is 1. Negative x, negative 1. Kakapi lang din po natin yung negative 4 at saka po 4. Kaya po naging 2 kasi po ang x po is positive 2. 1, yung bring down lang po natin yung 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 plus times 2 negative 4. 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. Ang remainder po natin is 0.
This problem a remainder theorem. Given 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 19x plus 20 divided by x minus 5. Kaya po naging positive 5 kasi po itatranspose natin yung negative kaya magiging positive. Then po, yung polynomial po natin is positive 5. Then, kukunin po natin yung leading coefficient, which is 2. Then po, yung x po is papalitan natin ng 5. Then, cube. Then, ganun din dito. Kukunin natin yung 7 and yung x ay papalitan ng 5. Then, is squared. Minus, copy natin yung 19 and yung x ay 5. Then, plus 20. Equals, copy the 2. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Then, copy the negative 7. 5 times 5 equals 25. Then, copy the 19. Then, 19 times 5 equals 95 plus 20. Kapag po inano natin sa kalkitong lahat na to, isang magiging sagot ay 0. Yung polynomial po natin is magiging 5 equals 0. Gagamitin po natin ang synthetic division for checking kung ito pong 0 ay yun din ang lalabas. Kukunin po natin yung leading coefficient ng lahat ng to, which is 2, negative 7, negative 19, and plus 20. Bring down po si 2. Then, dito po ay magiging positive 5. Then, 2 times 5 equals 10. Then, 7 plus, negative 7 plus 10 equals 3. Then, 3 times 5 equals 15. Negative 9 plus 15 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 5 equals negative 20. 20 plus negative 20 equals 0.
This is a problem of a remainder theorem. The given is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. So, ito pong positive 3 is magiging negative 3 kasi po, itatranspose po natin siya sa positive. So, ang polynomial po natin ay negative 3. Then, lahat po na x is papalitan po natin ng negative 3. So, ang x cube po is magiging negative 3 cube plus, ganoon din po sa iba, negative 3 minus 5 plus 2. So, ita-times lang po natin siya sa sarili. So, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to negative 27 plus 2. Then, ta-times lang din po natin siya sa sarili. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to positive 9 minus 5 times negative 3 is equals to negative 15 plus 2. Copy lang po natin yung positive 2. So, ita-direct na po natin siya sa calcu and ang makukuha pong sagot is positive 8. So, ang polynomial of 3 po natin is positive 8. So, checking naman po tayo gamit ang synthetic division. Kunin lang po natin yung polynomial, which is negative 3 po. Then, kukunin lang din po natin yung coefficient ng bawat isa. So, ang value po ng s, ng x is 1. Then, 2, negative 5, then 2. Bring down 1 lang po. Tapos, 1 times negative 3 is equals to negative 3. Then, 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Then, negative 1 times negative 3 is equals to positive 3. Then, negative 5 plus 3 is equals to negative 2. Then, negative 2 times negative 3 is equals to 6. And 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. And the answer is 8. And tama po siya kasi po 8 din po yung nakuha natin sa remainder theorem.
Thank you for watching. We covered polynomial division techniques. Hopefully, you learned the essential concept and can apply them to your studies. Once again, we are the Group 4.